Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to guide you through the process of using Elevenlabs for creating amazing voiceovers. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and navigate to elevenlabs.io. Make sure you're signed into your account. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and create one. It's quick and easy. Once you're on the homepage, look for the text-to-speech feature. You should see a text box where you'll enter your script. Type or paste your text into the box. Now, let's choose a voice character. To select a voice, click on the character name located at the bottom left corner of the text box. This will bring up a list of available voice characters. Pick the one you like, and then click on Settings to fine-tune the voice attributes such as stability and similarity to your desired outcome. After customizing your settings, hit the Generate Speech button to create your voiceover. And there you have it. You've now mastered the basics of using Elevenlabs for text-to-speech. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications. Thanks for tuning in.